Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to set up the resolution of your video in a Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to the camera icon, choose the video from the down option, select the settings. Now let's go back, and there is a resolution here. So you have the two options that you have a full HD in 30 frames, and you can have standard HD, of course, with the 30 FPS. So there is a two option. This HD is about 700 pixels, and this is 10,000 pixels, a full HD. And that's it about the resolution of the video. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.